Hey, good morning. Good morning. One second. Someone said on Discord the link is not working. George. Hmm. Okay, that's strange. Merge. Good morning. Good morning. JFix. Um, Very good morning. Mate, good morning. Claudio. Leptofix. Nemanja. Collect. Good morning. Morning, guys. Smart Choice Repairs. Good morning. Good morning. And Nata. Sebastian, good morning. Don Huevo, good morning. Marius Nata. Silvio Nata. Morning, guys. Sunday morning. Yeah, let's have a coffee together. Mm. Marcos, good morning. I'm in London reading. I have a friend from reading. You know the guy who sent me pizza when I was fixing his job lot? Yeah, he's from reading. Maybe I can invite you to. I don't really have time. Electoral, good morning. Didi, it's on the chat. I have a HP woman that has black screen. Ah. So what you are trying to ask me, it's actually the worst fault. So you pick up the worst fault. You pick up a fault which I will never fix it. No. Laptop coming on in no picture, it's a lottery. It's a matter of luck. It's most likely unrepairable. Good morning, good morning. Try HDMI JFix. Let's say you have a fault with the screen. You either don't have picture but you have backlight, or you don't have backlight but you have picture. But when both missing, clearly it's not the screen. Clearly it's not the screen. Maurice, thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Is there an echo? Nah, it's no echo. No. No, Mr. Mario and Nats, Alessandro, good morning. Coffee is so good. George is on the chat. George is working. I have some news for you guys, yeah? The NLBA guy, he sent me one NLBA for giveaway. Let me show you. I'm gonna make a video about this giveaway, but for the moment, I'm just want to show you brand new NLBA with all the cables and 1 year unlock subscription. 1 year. Give it away to me. You know what? The giveaway, it will be for members because I'm trying to reward the people supporting the channel. So I'm really sorry for the others, but based on the fact I don't have that many members, you have a high chance, if you are a member or become a member, to win this NLBA plus 1 year unlocking license. Yeah, very nice from him. Very nice. I'll do a video probably today about this giveaway. So what do you think? Enjoying your iPhone video? Yeah, it feels bad. I mean, when Diana came with the recording, because I said, record everything. And it was like some nice shots and important shots, like, You take off, landing, and some cinematic shots like the one with the plane on the back, and yeah, so a few shots was ruined by the iPhone. Nice, but here are like over 400K. Ha! Nemanja, you are few people, so I don't have that many members. How many people do you think they are supporting the channel? So I'm speaking about members, not subscribers, members. Members is the membership, based subscription based, yeah. Good morning, good morning. Where is the video with Diana? Diana, it was making the video. She can't be on the video if she was filming, and I was home. I was not there because you don't know where you have when you have your first solo. You just go there and say, that's what the instructor said. You're ready for your first solo, and yeah. Mike, thank you very much for the member. When next week, next week. Next week it will be, that online comment picker. Yeah, so it will be like online comment picker. They will pick random like a comment, and that's the winner. Darius, good morning. Velcro for the thermal camera. I have a better solution, but let me try it first, and I'll share it with you. Jaroslav, good morning. That is going to be a great. Yeah, it is great. It's a good item for a giveaway. Yeah. Quick, everyone become a member. I mean, it's worth like how much is the membership? Like depends of the country. I seen on some country like $3, on some country are like £5. Depends of the country. But it's worth because there are not that many members. Sadly. I mean, I understand probably everyone is here to learn to make some money from repairs. So we are not like, we don't have here like rich people. Marius, thank you very much for the gifted. Thank you. It's better to add macro lens. I don't need macro lens. I need the camera to be far away from, I'm working with the hands here. I'm working with the hot air, with the solder iron. I don't have space for camera here. So the camera is perfect, exactly, at the microscope level. I don't need macro. I mean, why you will need macro? You see heat, then you put the finger. Oh, that's the one. And if you can't figure it out, you can use alcohol to just, spot it. Leave me alone. What is your recommendation? But what did you ask? Oh, you ask about that laptop. How can I know? Can be CPU, can be GPU, can be chipset, can be even EC chip, can be a power supply, can be RAM, can be a track, can be a solder, can be a BIOS, can be anything. We need thermal camera giveaway. I can't give you my thermal camera because I'm using it. I will stack it under the microscope. Probable penguin. Thank you very much. Thank you for the appreciation. AK Moss has arrived. You bought one? I'm still waiting for. Someone said it will send me a adapter, but I still need an adapter. Depends of the the angle. I was watching the video, and actually the view angle is not that wide, which is, a disadvantage. Colleague, do you already have a microscope camera adapter? No, I don't. No. Slept late today, reparație iPhone. It's Sunday. You have to enjoy the day. Seki, good morning. If I am missing 5 volts power rail for some reason and it's not shorted, well, depends, Dennis. But the question is why the 5 volts is missing. How do you know there is 5 volts? On the 5 volts, a power supply is very simple. You can you need an enable signal. That's all what you need. On that case, you can come with a power supply with 3.3 and enable that power supply. But if it's not enabled, clearly there is a different issue. But yeah, general speaking, if you are sure, 100% sure there should be 5 volts, then you can come with the power supply and hopefully you'll have some feedback. Depends on the power good pin, if that chip has a power good pin or not. Then try with 5 volts. I mean, don't try with 5 volts, try with less. Start with 1 volt and go up to 5 and follow the current. How does it feels like to do repairs from home instead of repair shop? I love the freedom from home. But yeah, I lost the contact with people, with colleagues. Kind of feels bad, but even now I'm not making the money I was making on the shop. So yeah. What's the most interesting job you had in the past month? You don't want to know, Nagi. I made a mistake on a laptop. A big mistake. Beginner mistake. So basically, I replaced a BQ chip with the battery connector. I forgot the battery connector. There were like 4 MOSFETs all shorted, and the EC chip dead. Yeah. It was a gaming laptop. Just to understand, I felt so bad. TechFix Tales. Gabriel, salute. How did you learn electronic repairs? Any formal learning? No. I did chemistry in the school, Lemon Man. Electronics is nice. Even if I, for like a moment, I have different hobbies, but I can't stay away from electronics. Even taking like a working device, like any working device, and you can modify, you can improve it, you can do a lot of things on electronics. It's magic. Huge jump from chemistry to electronics. On my town, it was not electronic school, so I have to do something. So I did chemistry, but electronics I was doing for like from I was like a little boy, like 10, 11, 12, something like that. TV repairs, I can see Nemanja speaking about TV repairs. So if I will be to choose to run repairs on a shop, I will not pick up phones. No, I will pick up TVs and laptops and computers, of course. TVs are nice. Everything is big there. You know what I mean? It's TVs are nice to repair, to be repaired. Ai vrea și tu salut, salut. Ha, yes, I have same feeling, you know, just, having a coffee. Let me push the start streaming button. We all done it? Yeah, Belex, not one when we are doing like a 900 pounds gaming laptop. And I had to, it's just embarrassing. And guitar amplifiers, I never had for repair a guitar amplifier. But it's just a normal amplifier. Yeah. Garajul Valley Natsa, Tom Gravity, good morning. TVs are nice unless the screen is broken, yeah. And you know the most common thing, the people, they were bringing the TVs on the shop, and we're fixing the TVs, and TV has broken screen, and the customer was accusing us. So we have to show the CCTV, no one touch your TVs and stuff like that. So probably the customer broke the screen before bringing it. So transporting, like he put the TV on the car, the screen is getting broken sometimes. So that was the most common problem. We fixed the TV, but the screen was broken. And the customer, of course, they didn't believe it. Actually, the screen was broken from before. And you can't see. There are some TVs that you can't really see if they are broken. Dell XPS. Dennis, thank you very much for the donation. Thank you. Dell XPS NVIDIA GPU suddenly show drive error. I mean, of course, if you have a hardware issue, logically speaking, the driver cannot work with the GPU chip, and you will get a driver error, of course. No, it's no easy pizza there. No, it's no easy pizza. I'm really sorry to disappoint you. Does the FNIRSI work like the linear? That's just a meter, Cecil. That's a meter. That's all what it's doing. It's a meter. It's not doing anything else. It's just a power meter. I stopped taking TVs in, taking too much space. Yeah, I mean, if you have space. If you don't have space, yeah. And you need like big tables, yeah. You need a proper space for TV repairs. Ayo, good morning. Noski, good morning. Morning, guys. You need space. Help me, HP EliteBook, no sound. I'll try to change audio chip. No sound. No sound, but the chip is detected. That's the question. Because if the chip is not detected, means the chipset cannot speak with audio IC. If the chip is detected, then it is possible, apart from the audio IC, to have a cheap audio amplifier, and that can be faulty. Any more videos from you? Huh, kind of tricky. Gabriel, when you'll post, I have a dilemma with the electronic videos repair, but I will sort it. You got lazy? No, no, I'm just very busy. I'm very busy, and it's not only about repairs. No, how I can be lazy? I'm home anyway. Do you think I'm sitting here for nothing? I'm not playing anymore. I rage quit from Diablo. I uninstalled the game, and yeah, that's all. Family man with a house and dog and cat and bunny. Yeah. Congrats for your daughter flight. Yeah, thank you very much. It was uh, it was crazy. I didn't cry from I was like a little kid, but when I heard Diana is telling me that my daughter is doing the first flight, solo flight, I was crying like a baby. It was a big moment for us. Um, John Fly. I don't know what is Power Bridge. Not sure what is that Power Bridge. I never heard about this word. She's official a pilot now. No, she's like halfway with her private pilot license. So it's about like half of the school. Good morning, Sarina. I have a question. It's not my favorite subject, capacitors. Yeah, you can ask. Do you enjoy being a content creator? I got used. I wasn't supposed to be a content creator. I started the channel. If you check the channel, the first videos, I made videos for my colleagues to teach my colleagues to do iPads because I was overwhelmed for replacing the digitizer on the iPads on that time. And you know what? I said I will make videos so you can all learn how to replace digitizer so I can do something else. And everything turns out like people like the videos, and I said, you know what, I'll do more. And yeah, that's how I end up being a YouTuber. Nah, no, I have like one or two guys. They came there to meet me, but no pictures and stuff. I don't remember. Here is a small town. It's not London. Azul, yeah, yeah. But everyone is behaving nicely, and I don't have many problems. A farmer from Cuba, Marcos. Yeah, anybody can. Yeah, of course. Of course. I'm happy. I'm happy for you. I want to buy brand new capacitors. You know what? Everyone which is saying I want to buy brand new capacitor should be banned from the whole YouTube channel. I want to buy brand new capacitors. Yeah, we should report. We should ban and report for high school harassment, bullying. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the word. Buy new capacitors. I don't have spares. Just buy a motherboard for spares and you have capacitors. You have a bunch of capacitors. What character did you hate the most on Breaking Bad? I mean, everyone played fantastic, but probably the Skylar. Yeah, that's kind of character I really didn't like it. I mean, it's like, okay, we have a problem. Oh, what should I do? We have an issue. I'm going to cheat my husband with someone else. Classic. I mean, yeah, that's the only way you figure it out to get a revenge. Uh, yeah, classic. Lydia, no, no, I love Lydia. I mean, clearly she was different, but I like how she played. How many off-screen repairs? Capacitor relate a lot. Although I'm not, I'm publishing like one now, one, when sometimes. Salamanca with the bell, ha, he was playing fantastic. A very good actor. Have you ever bought a capacitor? No, no, I don't even know. No, but you can find capacitors on boards. Like even I bought electrolytic capacitors. Yeah, like low ESR capacitors for TVs when I was on the shop. Yeah, you'll do a second part with the CPU rail repair. The board with the CPU rail repair. I don't remember which one. The one which I heated up, it's still working. No, the laptop didn't come back. That one is still working. Emil, good morning. Yeah, Kiboric, it's a lot behind. He done everything to be a society man. Yeah, he had a job. He support the family, but when he found out actually, about his disease, I believe that's what happened. He said, okay, now I will do what I want, and yeah, he manipulate everyone. But you have to understand him. mm, With after life working and supporting the family and the other people, you have no money for your treatment. It's crazy. I believe even now the United States they have the same problem. Here the health system is free, but I heard some wild stories from United States, including my friend John. He has a problem. He called the ambulance like twice. You have to pay for the ambulance, yeah, if you call the ambulance. He just try, Walter White. He just try to live a different life. I mean, probably I will think on the same way if I will be on his boots. The entire Europe is free, probably, yeah. It's not a great system, but it's free. Means anyone can access the system. Now, John told me some strange stories about the kids, your kids. You have to pay for the medical insurance, which again is crazy. I mean, they are kids. Everyone is free for kids. You can't. Oh, man. Okay, I'm not saying anything, but yeah, different country, different rules. In your last video, you told us most of the capacitor not needed. Could you try to remove? Yeah, I did. Leo, just check on my channel. I have a video I removed like 8 capacitors. So whatever capacitor I found there on the main power, I removed them like 8. It was like 8. It was near to the CPU. I found like 8 capacitors. I removed them. Then I tested the laptop was working fine. Yeah, Mark. Thank you. John, not sure what you mean. Not sure. I grew up there. I've been in hospital. I have the appendix removed. I have my sinus. I went there a few times. I donate blood when I was in the army. I didn't have any problem. Gilera, thank you very much for the member. Thank you. Thank you. So what's the deal with the camera of iPhone 17? I don't know. I have my 16. My 16 has no problem. The camera is working how it's supposed to work. But on the 17, you seen. Only the aliens on the UFO can fix the N hashes? No, the Farage. He said 300 millions if the UK after Brexit, right? I think the guy has to be asked where are the 300 millions to N hashes. People vote for that. I'm pretty sure a lot of people just vote for a better N hashes when it was about the Brexit. Because I know people they vote for that money for the N hashes. Have you ever had to make tools specific for a job? Yeah, sometimes I was using like two power supplies on a parallel mode to push more current. Any tutorial for removing D14 chips? Not sure what is that. That's strange because from what I heard, in France has like the best health system. Hmm. Which type? Type-C power adapter. Um, I'm using a brick. Let me see if I can find. But it's on Amazon. On the link on the live stream or like on any video, you have my Amazon, and there should be my shop. But where is my shop? 1 second. View your. It's not here. Why is not here? It is here. Yeah, you see. So this is my front shop on Amazon, which I'm earning commissions, and I have all the stuff I'm using, and this one. Yeah, this is what I'm using. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Wow, the Athens hotel got cheaper. Interesting. I'm gonna send you the link on the chat. Copy. Nexus, thank you very much for the gift. Thank you. Here is the link. The own is nice. Yeah, it is. Do you have to suffer financially because you made all the videos learning others nearby you to repair? No. That's how the owner of the shop was thinking. Oh, sorry, you teach everyone, and now we will not have jobs. Here are not here on this town are no other computer shops. Like one more, and that's all. And there are a lot of computer and phone business. They don't want to learn, so they are happy with what they are doing, and they don't want more. So no. Brexit a mistake? Cambridge. You know, the UK before Brexit was a different country compared with now. Was a different country. Was a dream country. Was so many people, so many shops, and the business was going. Was doing like over 1K per day. Now they are doing like 200 per day, 300 per day, nothing more than that. On the computer shop, I mean. A lot of businesses just closed down, empty spaces everywhere. It was a different country. Yeah. Aren't any Temu discount? No, Gabriel. When I have like a Temu video, they gave me a custom list to pick up items. So I don't have access to all the items from Temu. Just a small part from the items. One RAM slot is not working. Yeah, it probably is behind of the CPU, of course. We had a video like this. Yeah. Emil, I have a video, one RAM slot working and one not, and it's nothing what you can do. Only if you are crazy and reball the CPU. I mean, the laptop is still working with one RAM slot. I will not risk it. You don't even know if it's like a solder under the CPU. Maybe it's a broken track. It's more than that. It's more than that. No soldering iron? No, probably not. Are you on the radio later? No, no. I have here the tools and everything, but no time for that. I wish I have time. I have my antenna, I have my hex beam. MIG, yeah. Yeah, the polarizing filters are nice. Guys, I think I'm gonna stop now. I will come back with a video about that giveaway with the NLBA. What happened with the AK camera? After 1 week of using? No, I'm not. I didn't use it. I need an adapter for the camera. I didn't use it. I have it here. Now check here. The camera is here. But how can I use it without an adapter? That's the point I'm trying to make. Because no one in the comments sent me like a valid adapter for this camera. So I have someone on Discord said he spoke with the people from Mechanic and they said they will send me a adapter. So I'm still waiting. It's a member who said he spoke and they will send me an adapter. I send you adapters from Temu? No. Where? I check all the comments of that video. Maybe 3D print one? I don't have a 3D printer. It's a pain. I mean, I know people they have to design on the computer. It's a complicated process basically for small outcome. It's not like you are doing it and sell it. Wait, I'll give you the code here. Okay. The focus ring might already have the adapter installed. No. Don't tell me that. No. I mean, I can take the camera out. 1 second. No, but how? I know I have a screw somewhere. No, I don't think. No. No, it's not. It's not. I checked already. Mine has. It's easy to miss. But you sure you have the same focus ring? You sure you have the same focus? 1 second. 1 second. Because I have that. I have the key here. Oh, I can't see anything. Okay, I can see it now. So that's the camera. Okay, I'm screwing the camera. Wait a second. You think if I remove the screws, what? Let me take out the chat, or let me make it smaller. You think if I remove those screws, it give me access to a different adapter? You think that? Hmm. Not the screws, but what? Because I don't have access to something else. Yeah, still I have a super glue here. How? How then? Maybe it's not the same. So this is the focus ring. You can see it spinning. But now you make me curious. What is behind of this? Maybe it's made to be open. Uh, okay, there are different stuff. Let me take out the camera. No, I can't. I can't do it. No, it's no way I can feed this camera there. Yeah. No. So it's not working. We need a proper adapter. Hot glue it will not work because you need different lens. Has different focal range. Has to be wider. If you see in the review, it's not that wide. Yeah. Let me put back the camera and that screw, which is here. What I missed. Yeah, God, and someone said he spoke and he will send me the adapter. What is under the focus ring? Under the focus ring is the microscope. Is the microscope itself, the body of the microscope. Good luck, Leo. How much are flying lessons? Too much. That's the problem. Too much. It's about 400 pounds per hour. The best case scenario. That's mean when you land once. But you have like multiple landings, you have to pay landings fee, which I think is £25 for a landing fee. because it's Oxford. Yeah. Temu, 1 second, let me check. That's the code? Temu. This one? Yeah, but you have no focus here. Huh? Yeah, that's my wife account. Or this has to be on the top of my focus ring. You think? You know what? This is interesting. I have to pick up a different one. Which one I have to pick? The Simond? This one? I should check the dimension. No, because I have the Simond. No, I don't have the Simond. You know what? Really, I have to do some research about this. Exactly same problem I have, ElectroRep. The field of view is smaller. But I'm assuming a proper adapter should fix that. Should fix that problem. Apple iPhone 17. I mean, I don't know. It just feels bad. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop now. Enjoy the day. I won't say thank you for being here. But choose the correct one. But which is the correct one? I have to check the distances, and I want someone which bought the adapter and it's working great, and he can tell me, look, I bought this one and it's working. Mike 73. But like I said, someone said it'll send me one. Maybe I should just wait. I will. Yeah, probably I have to check. Yeah, definitely. Guys, thank you for being here. Keep an eye on YouTube because I will gonna upload the video with the giveaway, with the NLBA giveaway. And if you're a member, you really have to leave a comment on that video so I can pick up a winner at some point next week. Okay? So thank you for being here and see you on the next one. Maybe later. Yeah, possible. Bye.